Hi everyone, today I'll show you a very interesting drink that I really recently discovered, so I'm going to show it to you. So right now you see here, these are the corn cobs that I have. So we wash it and we store it in the freezer so we can keep it longer. But right now we're going to use it, we're going to put it into, we can make it into a drink. And the red color pigments called anthocyanins will actually come out from the corn and go into the drink. So you'll be drinking pure nutrients. You will get all the benefits of the anthocyanins and everything. So you just take the cob, put it into your vessel, right? Yeah, just lay it in there. Get a good amount, just pack it up, the more the better, so you can get the most out of every infusion. So yeah, put it in, pack it up. I think these are not too hard, so you can just break them out and put it in as well. So yeah, just squeeze them in. Okay, I think this is almost the limit now. So I'm gonna put in some more pieces. Yeah. Put them in. Yeah, almost there. Alright, I think it's pretty packed already. Let me see if I can squeeze it a bit more. Okay, last one. Okay, so now that it's packed, you see that it's packed here. I'm gonna put in hot water. So we just boil this just now and pour it in. Yeah, you see already the anthocyanins are dissolved into the water already. So you can take advantage of that later when you drink it. Look at this. Such a beautiful color. Oh, amazing. Oh, beautiful. So what I learned just from a previous video is that if you agitate it, it will come out faster. So you see, as I agitate it more and more, it gets more and more reddish. Okay, admittedly, the top layer, the hot water does not reach the top layer. So I'll use the top layer to prepare a second batch later. So yeah, I'll show this to you first, then later I'll make a second batch. So you see, I keep on agitating the water, and you can see that slowly but surely the water turns more and more reddish. So this shows the concentration of anthocyanins in the water now. Yeah. See? If you don't have like a kettle or teapot like this, you can also just straight away put hot water into this vessel, or you put these corn cob, into a soup to make a soup. Also, you can do that. So you're not limited by this sole method of preparing the infusion. There are actually a lot of ways to do it. So don't worry if you don't have the exact tools right now in this video. You can also do it at home with other methods. As long as you have a heat and also a medium for the anthocyanins to infuse into, then it's gonna be fine. So yeah, you see that the drink, the water, gets really red. See, so beautiful. Yeah. See, look at this. Look at this. So amazing. So right now, I'm gonna pour it out. I'll show to you the drink itself. So very red. Look at this. Look at this drink. It's a corn cob tea. There you go. The taste is similar to corn, but you get the anthocyanins inside the drink. So there you go. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining by, and see you guys next time. Bye, God bless. Jesus loves you all.